There's nothing like a fresh salad that speaks of summer and the Mediterranean diet. Today, I have made a nice little salad that's classic for the Mediterranean, and here's how I did it. I took and quartered some English cucumber and some cherry tomatoes, put them in with a little salt, and let them sit there for a while to concentrate the flavor. That's the first part of our salad. We'll dump this in. I thinly sliced a nice red onion or purple onion, and then I marinated it for about 10 minutes in the juice from 2 lemons. I'm going to save that juice to make it part of our salad dressing, and I'm just going to put the onion very carefully in the salad. A classic Mediterranean salad, good for any summer day. Combine that with a little chicken or lamb if you like, or nothing if you just want to enjoy that with the garbanzo beans. This is a great meal, and it's part of a healthy Mediterranean diet. If you like this, you'll see my videos under healthy eating there. Like, follow, share.